What's up, guys? Do you want to know how I went from this to this? Well, stay tuned and find out.
Trap, money, penny. This shit got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
So today, it's all about my backdrop. So we usually use my wall for my background, but that looked kind of ugly. So we are getting a backdrop. We are going to go to the fabric store, so I'll see you when we get back. So we just got done shopping at the fabric store. So I found the most prettiest sequins background ever. Look at it. I cannot wait to put it up. It's just like scales on a mermaid. See, and look what happens. Boop. That's so cool. So I can't wait to put it up. So let's get into the house and put this bad boy up. Boop. So we are inside the house right now, and we decided to put our backdrop inside the basement. So let's get in. So my mom is going to be sticking the backdrop up on the wall right there, and she is going to be using these T-pens. So let's get into it. I can't believe it that it's all done. Can you guys see the pretty background? So look, it is sequins. When you touch it, you can move it around. It color changes. See? Wow. I love this. You guys can play with it, right? If you're going to video. But you guys gotta make sure not get too distracted by this. But I love it so much. But that's it for this week's video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's get on to it. Oh, and make sure to ring that bell.